YouTube. It's Craig with that Canadian Lawn Guy channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm enjoying this YouTube thing, obviously. I enjoy putting out content and hoping that I can help a little bit of people out if they happen to come across my video. And we're just on our way to the accountants. Last year, I embarrassingly got hit with a bad tax bill. I had trouble finding help last year with COVID and didn't have any claimed employee income. I paid cash, so that made my income go up, and I didn't buy a lot of equipment last year, so I had a big tax bill. And luckily I have money saved up, but didn't expect my money to be all wiped out. So it was like I was in a new business, like I used to be when you start off, buying seed and fertilizer and gas and materials for the spring, and you were like living off your credit card for the first month or so, because there's a lot of money that comes out before you make any money in the spring. If you guys can remember back to your early days of business. So everything's fine. I just wanted to make you aware that, yeah, I make these mistakes as well. So I'm on my way to the accountant to make sure that I don't have to pay that big of a tax bill. So I thought we have a time here just to chat for a few minutes, and I just wanted to acknowledge I have some new subscribers. I appreciate the support. We're at 117 subscribers now, so that's pretty cool. Not too long ago we were at 100, and we broke that 100 subscriber wall that's kind of hard to get up to. So on our way to 200, and when we get there, we get there. But if you aren't subscribed to the channel and you want to show your support, definitely consider doing that. Yeah, and we had our first snowfall cleanup the other day. It was just a small 5 centimeter cleanup, and I had an employee out there with me. I don't necessarily need an employee for the winter. I find snow business kind of stressful, so I kind of did enough snow just that I can manage, and I've done the route where I had 2 employees running snow blowers, and I didn't make as much as I thought I'd make, and the stress was just crazy when you're trying to predict when to go out and when you will get everybody's driveways cleared was overwhelming. So it went well with having an extra guy. My one friend is out of work because of COVID, different reasons, and I just want to help him out, give him some income. So we did it overnight, actually. So I find we're at properties like under 10 minutes per driveway. So if they do hear us in the middle of the night with snow blowers, I'm guessing it doesn't disrupt their sleep very much if they did hear us. And yeah, so there's more snow maybe forecasted for next weekend, so we kind of have a week to regroup. And I did oil changes. I posted that video on the snow blowers, and everything's in good working order, so that's a good thing. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about extra services you can offer that can bring you in some income throughout the whole year. If you're in my kind of situation where you have like 5 months of winter and then 7 months of the lawn care season. So I'll show you at the end of the video. I took care of some condos at different times throughout the last 10 years in business. I took care of the grass, and out of that I've got to do weekly garbage and recycling. So when they put in these condominiums, they didn't build the road wide enough, and they didn't like do a turnaround at the end of the little private road for the garbage and the recycling truck to be able to come down and collect the garbage. So I go there weekly and pick up their recycling bins and garbage and green waste and carry it out to the curb. So that's 52 weeks a year service, which is pretty great. It takes me about 20 to 30 minutes per week, and it's nice. Another couple services that I've been doing more in the past year is picking up like scrap metal from customers. So I've been posting and kind of emailing customers and just saying like, if you have any scrap metal, I can pick it up from you for free. And I just keep like a pile near my storage, and when I get enough of it, I bring it out. I'm just visualizing my route here. And then another very related to that is like dump runs. So there's some customers that I've acquired over the years that kind of do regular dump runs where they might do renovations on their rental units, and they need some materials taken to the dump. So that's nice to have those come in when you're not so busy. I try to, in the busy lawn care season, you try to put off those dump runs maybe till the grass starts to slow down, and you can fill in those weeks with some of that work. And yeah, and then I obviously do snow removal for income, and I've considered doing other services but haven't followed through with them. So like some examples, you could do Christmas lights installations. You could do I know a local company in town that sells Christmas trees this time of year to keep their employees busy, and sells like Christmas planters that you put at your front door, and they build like little reindeers and like decorations like that you would put outside your front door, you know. And yeah, I enjoy my time off in the winter, so I just need a little bit of extra streams of income that can help that bottom line of your business. So just watch this video here at the end of me doing the garbage and recycling, which is a weekly service I provide to these condos. And it also gives me some more contacts from these condos, even though if I don't always have the grass cutting contract here at this condo, it gives me more customer contacts that they can call me if they need extra services like window cleaning, dump runs, scrap metal, I don't know, help inside the house, like moving something, things like that. So I like to have these I like to offer one-time services to a lot of customers because they can reach out to you for a one-time service, and that can fill in a week when you need to fill in a couple hours here and there. So hope that was helpful, and hope everybody's doing great. Thank you for all the support. Until next time, take care. We'll see you on the next one. And that was another Canadian YouTube video, baby. Talk to you later.